Okay, we just finished the part 1 of the Nigerian wedding list. So now this is the part 2 of the first Nigerian wedding selection love music. So this next song is by, like I said, is by African China. It's called If You Love Somebody. If You Love Somebody. Like I said before, this song is good for like when you want everybody on the dance floor. You want people to spray you money, you know, as we Nigerians do, we like to spray the money, spray me money. And if you want everybody to be happy, play this song. Always tell your DJ, please put in this song when you want the party time. They call it party time. The party time, play this song and you make everybody happy. Somebody walk up to her and tell her me love her, it does not burn no crime at all. If you love somebody, walk up to her and tell her me love her, it does not burn no crime at all. I can see this baby, she just a worry my mind, my mind, my mind. No be smarting no man. I didn't want up to her, but we go be lonely for mountain, for mountain, for mountain. Smile at me. I'm trying to check out my brother, but I got to leave because people are here. I don't want to like I said before, this is not the best Nigerian music. This is part of like Nigerian wedding music recommended by me. I'm not saying these are the best out there, but part of the best out there that I have been using at my wedding, that I play at. So, and people dance to them very much. And they are the music that past Nigerian couples have requested from me to play at the wedding. So that was why I was able to put all this list together. So the next music I'm going to play now is by Pop Play. Pop Play, I think, is the son of Pop Play, Die Row or something. I forgot. I don't really know much about the history. But this song is called Delicious. Delicious. You know, from Delicious, you know, it's a very genuine love music. Listen to it and you can judge by yourself. I love you. Now we are into the Oga Pata Pata. I actually love this guy. I like his beat. I heard that Don Kam make his own beat. And this beat go with every music I play at. In short, one day I play this music at American wedding. Although the ladies didn't understand what I was playing, but they danced to the beat. You know, Americans, they like to dance to beat, any beat, once the beat makes sense. So this song is on Don Kam titled I Love You. And this song too, I usually recommend this song for like dance floor when everybody are dancing. Your DJ keep flowing, as in short, even though if you're using American DJ, maybe DJs from Russia, Asia, China, they will be able to mix this beat. Boom, 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 boom. The beat per minute of this beat is very good, which is 111.83. I'm sure you don't know what I mean by beat. Some of you don't really care about beat per minute, but the beat per minute make the music sync together very well. So this song is I Love You by Don Kam, very good for weddings. So it's one of my selection, my recommendations. So let's do it. Baby, I love you. I love you. The way you love me, that make me no want to lose. I don't want to lose you. Oh, baby, my kachu. The way you love me, that make me no want to lose. I don't want to lose you. Baby, if you can remember, that day you wine up for me when they make me to Sochi. It was that day I bought a Range Rover for you, and they dancing and mixing too. When everybody gets to the run for you. Now see how your love gone blow my style. Just in a twinkle of an eye. My beat is the bedroom of a go now. It's the bedroom of the east, and also the bedroom of the south, south and north. I can't believe, say your love can turn me a superstar. Now see J. Martins, now my beat to the one pro. Now see Wiz Boy now, now my style what I want to do now. No, see that me now my song what I want to do now. See that black I thank you Lord, I thank you Lord. Well, dance here for me. Oh no, dance here for me. Oh no, dance here for me. If I pass a mother line, if I can marry you, I wish I can fly like a bird. I fall on the sky, to hold and hold you like into your eyes and ask you, will you be my wife? Looking, baby, you love me, let me know one time. Okay, let me just pause a little bit. Let me pause a little bit. Number one, don't forget that this is DJ City and of AB City Entertainment. You can find me on Facebook at AB City Entertainment. Twitter, AB City ENT. Okay, this brings us to the next song by our brother Two-Face Idibia. The title of this song already simplify what it meant. You are my African queen. You know, this song, I usually recommend this song for like first dance. Actually, when I got married, this was my first dance song. So I usually recommend it for everybody because the song is unique, elegant, anything you can call it. The title is African Queen by Two-Face Idibia. Listen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are my African queen. Ooh, Lord, ooh, Lord.
A must to have at your wedding. A must to have.
Lights up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. Just yesterday, you came around my way. You changed my horse in a way with your astonishing beauty. Oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I've never been. Yeah. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, you are my African queen. Oh, Lord, out of a million, you stand as one, they are standing one. I look into your eyes, girl, what I see is paradise. Hey, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place, they cannot take your space. It's a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile, make me float like a boat upon the Nile. Girl, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I've never been. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Yeah, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Oh yes, I know. You are my African queen, and I know. See, I know what I am feeling in my heart and in my soul. Oh, I know that it is love, and I know that this love was surely sent from up above. 'Cause you're the only one that I think of. You are my African queen, and I know that this means that you're the only one that I will serve. I'll give you my heart, my love, my body and my money. Every other thing you think of. In a man who could think of anything better than you, who could think of ever hurting you. Sacrifice my all, I'll give it all to you. You are my African queen, for me. You are my African queen, the girl of my dream, the girl of my dream. Yeah, I've never been. Oh, na na, yeah. Oh, Lord, you are my African, you are my African queen, girl of my dream, my African. You remind me of a thing. Oh, that is the African. So black, so beautiful. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Munyemo, I love you, I love you, I love you. Munyemo, I love you, I love you. Oh yeah, my African queen, I love you, I love you.
Okay. That was by Two-Face Idibia. I love you, African queen. So the next one is also it's gonna be the last but not the least today. It's also by Two-Face Idibia. The title of this song is "If Love Is a Crime." if love is a crime, let him go wherever. Okay, this will not be the last. I'm still gonna come up with more music, the latest one. These are mainly part of the old one. So let's listen to it. Again, if love is a crime. Let's see what happens next.
She was waiting for the one that God was sent to fulfill a kind of craving, a special kind of loving, one with love the understanding. Come rain, come shining. People started to say that she wanted more than a Mr. Right. All that she wanted was a man that sees the light. They say she's a fool for being uptight, when all that she wants is good love, love we fight. Special kind of girl, hard to come by. This kind of girl I want to make my wife. You're the one, say no more. Don't bother about what the people say, cause I say, every time that I look into your eyes, I see fire in there, fire. And if you look into my eyes, you see desire in there, desire. And if love is a crime, then I want to be wanted. Said if love is a crime, I'm willing to be haunted. Got a lot of respect for you, cause your God is so rare, so rare. It's kinda hard to imagine, but I know you're out there, you're out there. And if love is a crime, then I want to be wanted. If love is a crime, I'm willing to be haunted. She said to me, do you wanna be the last man standing? She said to me, do you wanna be the one that them complimenting? Oh yeah, girl, I wanna be your beginning and your ending. Oh, I wanna be the only one that you be sending. I can't believe she's still a virgin. Lots of guys have been up to her, but there was no compromising. She be strong, she be keeping herself until the day of her wedding, under the right ceiling, with the right person, a person deserving of a special kind of loving. Every time that I look into your eyes, I see fire in there, fire. And if you look into my eyes, you see desire in there, desire. And if love is a crime, then I want to be wanted. Said if love is a crime, I'm willing to be haunted. I got a lot of respect for you, cause your God is so rare, so rare. It's kinda hard to imagine, but I know you're out there, you're out there. And if love is a crime, then I want to be wanted. Said if love is a crime, I'm willing to be haunted. So keep the fire burning, keep the fire burning, burning, burning. Fire burning, keep the fire burning, keep the fire burning, keep the fire burning, burning, burning. Fire burning, keep it burning, keep it burning. Even love is a crime, and I like to they go jail. I said if love is a crime, then I prefer to they stay jail. Fire burning, keep the fire burning, keep the fire burning, burning. See, every time that I look into your eyes, I see fire in there, fire. And if you look into my eyes, you see desire in there, fire. Girl, if love is a crime, if love is a crime.
Don't get it twisted, love is a beautiful
Okay, thank you for taking your time to listen to me. Just me. I'm just DJ City of ABCT Entertainment. Again, on my Facebook pages, I'm gonna post it underneath this YouTube page on ABCT Entertainment. You can follow me on Twitter AB City ENT. My website is www.abcityentertainment.com. Like I said at first, this is not going to be the last one. These are the, like I would say, these are the legend music for wedding. But there are some new music, like from artists like Olamide, I think some from the new artists. So I'm going to research them and take my time to present them the same way. And thank you for listening. If you have any message, don't hesitate to comment underneath this YouTube page. Also, if you have any question, you can also send me a message on my Facebook. If you want the list, I can also make it and send it to you. So just don't hesitate to ask me questions. Don't hesitate to send me a message about the music I just played from the part 1 to the part 2. And it's nice. It's nice making this mess for you. I hope you enjoy them. Again, I am DJ City. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
My friends they ask me say, oh boy, what is the matter? Me and tell them say, you did make my head scatter. See I